You're going to sleep through the show. Put them down.
This is our little story and a true, true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I've just sent you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, guys. We are getting ready to go to school. Went to bed starving, woke up so hungry. So I'm having some cereal for breakfast, which is a very typical go-to for me. It's cold, it's sweet, it's crunchy. Love it. I'm having honey bunches of oats. It's one of my faves ever since I was a kid. Spent some time this morning really just kind of getting back on board with my passport application, visa application, all of that stuff for the boys. It's a process, as you guys know, especially with the little ones. Getting their passport and visas sorted out is a little different than doing mine. That just needs to be renewed. So it's also not cheap. So it's definitely something that I have to really like kind of be looking at, planning out and figuring out. Really wanted to travel March, April, but depending on how things go, it might be a little longer, and I'm not sure because I do have a time limit as to when I can cut off travel. But it doesn't look like the boys are going to be able to travel just yet. So we'll see. I'm going to go get myself together now because I'm meeting with a friend who I haven't seen in a long time for some lunch. So we're going to go do that. Wayne is probably going to pick up the kids for me today. And I think he promised them a little slip and slide time. But he did not clean off that slip and slide from the other day. Right now it's covered in poetry flowers, so we'll see.
Morning MTM. What's up, guys? The kids are after school. The house is dead silent, which is not a regular occurrence. So whenever we get this silence, or whenever I get this silence in the house, I always think, sometimes overthink. But this morning my thinking has led me to just think about the house and, you know, us expecting this new baby in June and what that will mean for the household and the utilities, energy bill, you know, just by virtue of having another person in the house, food bill gone up, all kind of things. So, you know, whenever these things happen, we always have to think for say, yo, how can we increase income or diversify, find some new income stream to offset certain things? We are not financially free. More time the bills them come in and the life just take a toll when you check the account. Maga down like drugs addict. So, and I imagine like at least 90% of you guys out there watching this aren't at a point where you can say, yo, boop, we can retire now and we're all right for life. Bro, it's not normal out there. Inflation, exchange rate will chip away at most bank accounts in like a matter of years, if not months. We always have to think earning, investing. That is something that we're getting into now. And that is a big deal, people. Trust me. Gone are the days when you leave the whole of your money in a bank account. It doesn't grow. It doesn't grow. And as I say, inflation and exchange rate rise and rise and rise. And so your money are go down, while it's sit down in the bank. So we have to think wise. And as we learn, everybody are going to earn. Because we're going to share. I mean, if it was just... If MTM is just a family vlog, and we just vlog about what we do every day and you see us growing as a family, but there must come a point where we'll go down into the nitty-gritty and bring value to you guys who follow us and who support us. You know what I mean? I feel this need to share the knowledge and share what we're doing to try and, you know, stand up strong financially. So if you guys want to know, you know, or if you guys want to come along with us on that journey as well, you guys can share with me as well, because a lot of even the younger generation, them know about crypto, and them don't know about crypto investment, and them something the Bitcoin, and them something there. Me understand a little bit about it, but I'm not very knowledgeable or educated about it. So you guys can tell me if you think that is a good option now. I know there's a whole heap of different kinds available and different things to invest in. They have next thing come now, NFTs. What name some people? I don't know. So you can share with me in the comment section what you guys investment methods are. If it's like stocks, like traditional stocks, stock market and them thing. We just a start, people. We just a start. It's not a thing where they dive into in when I was young. So as I say, it's all about growing, you know, and evolving and understanding where you are financially and what needs to be done. Yeah, people, you know, as I say, I always overthinking in the house and the house empty. But it's good thinking though, because college tuition and them thing then no normal, it's not cheap, and it takes great planning and great effort to get all of these goals achieved and stuff. Yeah. So you go, people. I have my moments where I just go off. But yeah, we learn and we learn. You know what I'm saying? So what you say, boo? You gonna get me a little something them. Today a steamed fish day, so you know, so I have a little okra with something and with thyme, with Kelly and then all these things. Yeah. Murder. Where you say I'm going with no boss?
Nothing, I'm linking my friend.
Which linking friend?
When they say, oh, we can get just Rubenade something with him, you know.
Too much blinking friend.
Him just a go on.
So what you want now? Strawberry?
I have to lock my eye and buy the strawberries. If you know anything about Jamaica, you know that berries, because we have local strawberries, but I didn't see any. And people miss it, the blueberry them. I haven't had blueberries.
I don't think I've ever eaten one of those like by itself. I swear to you.
They're my favorite things, but I can't
Them eat
buy
good?
them regularly. You might not like it, but they're very good, especially for women.
I'm sure for it.
We're ready.
I like some blueberry taste.
That's okay, I figured you were taking your time going downstairs.
Come like cherry.
I'm ready, man. No fret. Alright, bye.
Eat like cherry.
Not really.
Yeah.
No.
No, just say I know. A cherry me just taste in my mouth.
Anyway, I just decided, you know what? This berries for me in Jamaica is a splurge.
Okay.
You know, maybe for some people it's not, but for me, this is like, yo.
Bro, I was just telling him how we not live extravagant in no way, shape or form.
But I can't make the picnic them see this. If them see this, splurge
Done.
gone through the window. It's a sin. I can feel for it so bad. What a vibe.
My gosh, you look cute today too.
Thanks.
Hello. You know, you're something. Colors them nice for you.
You bore everybody with this.
No, nobody with that.
My
People them
outfit
want
them
to see
boring.
what going.
We wear the same thing over and over.
People them want to see what going in your world, you know, my
Look at the size of these strawberries.
Eh? Money is strawberry, no?
Them sour.
Them so no lie. You want your shit talk about You money is strawberry, no see Valentine's Day I come. Where I get from a Valentine's? You know, see them meme me out and say, I wonder what may I get for Valentine's Day with a photo of them use out.
You know Wayne and I don't do Valentine's Day, right?
No, it's not a big deal for us at all. Like for exchange gift and them something there.
But it would be nice to do a little something for the boys.
Yeah.
Eat this. Nice.
I feel like Adam when you get the apple and Eve.
Every time I give you something, you feel like that. Here,
It
let's
up
see
there
what
on
it
the
says. Alright, let me dry these off.
I get it.
Right now, all of our money, I want to go back into the kitchen.
All our money I go back in the kitchen right
Every
now.
dollar.
I swear to you people. And the kitchen look like we had a good meeting yesterday. And I feel like say it I got me no people. We want to say if we just do it, don't lock away and do it, don't it?
Everybody says so. And you know what MoMo said to me today, and it was such a good point. She said, make you wait, right? Baby come, it's another year at least. She said, imagine how expensive everything going to be in a year.
Yeah.
And I was like,
Yo,
that's what's up.
Bro, construction price don't stay one place.
Not only that,
anytime.
we need, I literally just buried my idea of having like I wanted to do the double oven.
Yeah.
And get a cooktop, and I was like, I just have to bury that. Like, I have to scale back the dream kitchen to just get a dream kitchen, but not like, you know, I have to be practical. That's my point. But, you know, practical is good. It's not that, you know, and you still get what you want. Be practical. It's just sometimes you have to revisit certain things that tell you mind, and you just have to be practical. Like, I can't be eating berries every day.
Practical is great. Tell me, so may I tell you about that something there? Budgeting, practical, and then the cost them. The cost. Everything have cost. Everything have cost applied, bro. So I have to be, you know, I have to be smart.
Anyway, Atlas who called me the other day and said, Mommy, you know I'm gonna make you rich, right?
That him say. I'm my boy that you know.
I said, richer. I mean, I said, you have to say so you're rich already.
Yeah.
I don't doubt him.
Trust me.
Alright, don't miss me too much. Guys, you don't see me leave Wayne a lot, right? So for me to go see my friend whom we don't see in how long? When I must get a little pass? Oh gosh.
Just so they see a friend.
No.
Oh, one more labrish, you can labrish now.
It's not lavish.
Oh, labrish.
Goodbye. Don't be late for the kids.
Bye. Ozzy Boozy is home now. Say hi, MTM.
Hi, Auntie Addie.
No, say hi, MTM.
Hi, Auntie.
Which auntie? MTM.
Auntie,
Yeah. We're going to go pick up the boys.
yes?
Alright, shout Momo and tell her bye.
Bye, Momo. Hi, baby Oz.
Hi, Posey.
Hi, Dad.
What, boss?
Okay.
How was your day?
That was great.
Yeah? Your little mask fit you good though. You can take it off now.
Now I can lie down.
You can take it off. Take off your mask.
I go in Momo. Daddy, can I go? I'm gonna come in the front.
No.
Please,
No. You sit down. You sit down. You sit
Daddy,
down. Jackson's
please.
gonna sit in the front.
Oh, Daddy, when Jackson comes, I'm gonna come out to the seats.
No, I'm soon come, man.
Daddy, please, Daddy.
No,
Please.
bro, you're gonna be stepping all over the place and no, bro.
No.
That ain't it. Take your shoes off if you want to do that.
Okay. I'm all done stuff.
Hey, sit down and put on your seatbelt.
I'm holding on to this.
Sit in the seat and put on your seatbelt. You hear me? I work with you, you have to work with me. How was your day, Jax?
Great.
Yo, we have swimming trials now.
What?
What? You never knew you were going to swimming now?
Wait, me too?
Auntie Casey coming to pick you up. No, Jackson is
Wait,
going to do his
today?
swimming trials. Yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
Jeez, wait, so when I get home, Mr. Change.
Yeah. Bro, you're going to the stadium pool, the big pool.
Wait, where Justin goes?
Yeah.
Everyone's gonna be there.
Auntie Casey going to pick you up in a few. Watch it, people. Real old steam fish head. When I talk about fish head and sauce of fish head, I talk about whole heap of meat in a fish, big fish head, you know what I'm saying? Okra and pumpkin and tomato and thyme and scallion and pepper and onion. Yeah man, it proper. Then we have some dumpling on the side. Yeah, a proper lunch this. Momo, sort me out.
Love you too. Bye.
Wait, I
Thank
just
you.
Wait, I just had one.
It's okay, you can have one. I just got a video of Jackson swimming down at the stadium.
Really?
I
Make we
feel
go now?
sick.
Make we
I
go
feel
look.
sick, Wayne.
Let's go now.
No, I can't.
Tami, I haven't been to the stadium in like
So-
years.
So basically, we've been wanting Jackson to swim like after school for a long time, like with a team and all that stuff. And one of the parents at school, and she's constantly saying to me, please, let's get Jackson swimming, let's get Jack. She's just one of these moms who just, you know, she knows about her extracurriculars, and you know, I'm not that mom, I'm terrible. So she's encouraging me to do. So today she just said to me, I'm coming to get Jackson after school. I'm taking him to the stadium just for him to feel it out. You know, Moa said, no, because stadium, long pool. Like a boy down there, kick out.
Alright.
I'll drop a little of the footage. You going to take me to a movie later?
Yo. A pre-Valentine's.
No.
Pre-Valentine's
Ozzy, you
date.
doozy?
Says the people are all year round with our Valentine's thing. Can watch it now. I got movies later. Movies later, Tami? Which show?
I would love to. Let me look right now.
We just got any old show where they there?
Hold on, let me tell you. Let me tell you what we're going to watch. Ready?
Yeah.
Wait for it. Don't drop down yet.
May I wait.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby. Okay, today's Thursday. Okay, I'm showing him Black Light. That's with Liam Neeson.
Liam Neeson, the old time bad boy.
Yeah.
You're the baddest old man.
No, as I think you do though.
Guys, you know Liam Neeson, remember that show the name Taken and Taken 2 and I think all 3 them do to old man boy. Bad people coming like James Bond. Come like James Bond far cousin. Bad boy.
Twice removed.
Twice removed.
See the trailer here? Let's watch it.
No. Me no watch trailer.
No, let's.
From we say we go watch maybe the trailer is a failure.
Enough time when you watch a trailer, it's like you watch a whole show.
I mean, if you tell them me no want to, that's why I'm going to the show with no judgment at the show.
Agreed.
Alright guys, as we head into Valentine's Day, we're gonna get a special after hours vlog. You know, we usually wrap up vlog. We're gonna get an after hours, follow it on date night, okay? So we're heading after the drive-in right now.
Look what I have.
Some sexy time. Watch her now.
It's not sexy time.
Watch her now. You're
I'm
set up
taking
for
my
sleep
pillow.
already. You're gonna sleep through the show. You're gonna sleep through the show. Put them down. Put them back right now. Put them back right now.
Snuggle while I watch the show, please.
No, this is a recipe for
I don't want
disaster.
the children here that we're leaving.
Tami,
Candy. Okay, I have candy
this
in my
is
bag.
too much things, man. Tell me, man, what kind of date this? Not you call up the date today.
I want nachos.
Bro, yeah, call up the date.
This, what do you mean?
With
You
all
don't
of
have to
them
be comfortable.
something.
So if you can go driving, you almost can't take a pillow on your blanket.
Alright, you have the key?
No.
Lady.
I know you last drive.
Lady, you know, see some frightened. My girl.
Oh, I'm forgetting that the car. Look at your back close to the wall.
My girl have blanket and pillow.
Come now, we're late.
Come then now.
I
You
cannot
can get
wait.
in, you can. No, you tell me, people.
No, film
What
me
kind
when
of
I
sexy
reach.
date this?
Film me when I reach. I'm a set up. I'm a recline. I'm a
What kind of
comfortable.
sexy date
You
this?
just have your mindset that you have to go get the hot dog and nachos. Then don't worry about me.
I mean, me not have to worry about you. I'm have to worry about. Me I worry about myself, so me have to worry about you.